Xiami Mi 11X 5G features Mi 11X camera, step-by-step guide video. Top features of Mi 11X 5G in India. Morning. Another important highlight: the company claims provide accurate color contrast. Yes, technology. Battery charger in the box. 5G. I hope you found this video Mi 11X 5G fits right. Look, hey guys, today I have a smartphone 6.7 having a pixel density of 395 with a refresh rate of 125. There's a less punch hole display with Corning Gorilla Glass 5 production. On the right side we'll find the volume button. Our button also works as simply comes with a triple camera setup with Xiaomi branding. So that's all as far as the design is concerned. Now, let's get into the details about the internal. X comes to the Qualcomm Snapdragon 870 chipset with 7 application for multitasking. You get 6 GB of RAM and the capacity of the smartphone is 128 GB. X like upwards of 4,520 miles per hour battery powered by a 33 OnePlus Sonic facility. I mean, the camera aspects features a triple camera setup and includes a 48 megapixel primary camera supported by an 8 megapixel ultra wide angle camera, a 5 megapixel also the form of a 20 megapixel front camera. The software version of the Mi 11X 5G is Android 11 with me. So guys, that's it for Xiaomi 11X 5G and you so much in this video Mi 11X 5G gaming test. Hello friends, in this video I will show you the gaming performance of 11X5. So let's start with the graphics settings tab here now. In the graphic quality we have medium, high and very high options, and in frame rates medium, very high, and tax options play expanded. Now it started. Let me tell you, have 6 GB RAM and Qualcomm Snapdragon 870 processor, which works on 7nm application. Coming to the gaming experience, you get new performance on the phone and 6.67-inch OLED display. During the long gaming sessions, you can even create and put graphics 4000 white with the MHFAT. We will also help you for your gaming sessions. So all in on giving me and enjoy your gaming. Mi 11X 5G unboxing. Hey guys, today I'll show you the unboxing of the Xiaomi Mi 11X 5G. So on the front you can see the image of the phone beside Mi 11X, and at the back specifications of the phone are mentioned. We will open the box. So first of all you can see this lid. Inside the sled we have SIM ejector tool, documentation like user guide. Next you get a silicone protective cover which will protect your phone from any harm. In addition you will get a USB Type-C to 3.5 headphone adapter. Here we have the Xiaomi Mi 11X 5G. It gets a 20 megapixel selfie shooting lens on the front which promises in the background show me in a minute finish. We have a USB Type-C charging the phone, and here is the 2-pin wall charger powered by a 33 watt fast charging facility. So guys, that's all you get inside the Xiaomi Mi 11 5G. Thank you so much for watching. Speeding a quick overview of Mi 11X 5G everyone. Alright, like always let's start by talking about the design of this. This is Jack. Another important highlight: the company's accurate vivid picture quality complementing the display which comes with support options. Me find the time to talk about bye-bye and is also supported. Time to talk about the battery dissipating solely Dharma.